Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, yesterday in your journal you glued the divisibility rules. These rules are going to be used throughout the year. They're good to have as we start working with fractions. They're good to have now because we're using them. So make sure you keep them, you keep your journal. We go through it. Now we're going to go through these numbers. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. We're going to talk about the divisibility for each and every one of them. It's a good idea for you to listen so that you understand the rule. Because some of the rules have like weird words in them, like sum and that kind of thing. Sum, oh my gosh. Digits. I know. I'm expecting a lot of you. But please forgive me. Serenity, will you read me the divisibility rule for the number 2?
The number is even.
The number is even. It's divisible by 2. What does that mean, Serenity, that the number is even? Samuel, what does it mean if I say a number is even?
It means that it's times. It's able to be times by 2 instead of 1. Like, well, everything can be, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Good. You could count by it, but if I got to, do I want to count up to 1,976 by 2s?
Definitely not.
Definitely not.
You would probably want to do something bigger that's still able to be.
All right, Caitlin, how do I know if a number's even?
If it's divisible by 2.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't want to do all the division.
You could add 2 to the 1.
Okay.
You're able to multiply it by 2 if you multiply a number by 2.
Okay.
Able to get.
Brantley.
How you would get it is looking at the last number. Look at the last number, and if it's even, then the whole number's even.
Good. If I look at the last number, the ones place, and it is an even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. If the last number is an even number, then that number is divisible by 2.
Not even. It's not the last number, but it would be only the ones. Because if you had.
Okay, the ones place. I'm just talking about whole numbers here. If the last digit, the ones place, is an even number, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay? So 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. It's divisible by 2. Thank you. Garvin, is 45 divisible by 2? No. Reed's not here. Ava, is 369 divisible by 2?
No.
No. Ends in a 9. 9's not even. 7,870. Easton, is 7,870 divisible by 2? Yes, it is. Thank you. Because it ends in a 0, an even number.
Even.
So it ends in a 0, and our even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So if it ends in one of those, then yes, it is divisible by 2. John, 1,976, divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes. William, 6,003 divisible by 2? No. Okay? No, because it ends in a 5. No, because it ends in a 9. Yes, because it ends in a 0. Yes, because it ends in a 6. No, because it ends in a 3. That's one of the easy rules. I mean, 2, 5, and 10 are really super easy. The rules, super easy. So let's do the easy ones first. the easy ones first. Let's look at 5. Kira, what is my rule for 5?
Rule 5 is if it is a 5 or a 0, it can be divided by 5.
Good. If it is a 5 or a 0 in the ones place, it's divisible by 5. So, Jaden, is 45 divisible by 5?
Yeah.
Yes. Lily, is 369 divisible by 5?
No.
No. Alina, is 7,870 divisible by 5? Yes, good, because it ends in a 0. If the ones place is a 0 or a 5, it's divisible by 5. Tristan, 1,976 divisible by 5?
No.
No. It does not end in a 0 or 5. Oren, 6,003 divisible by 5?
No.
No. Now 10's not on there, but 10 is easy. Bryn, do you know for 10? I know it's not on there. Good. If it ends in a 0, if the ones place is a 0, it's divisible by 10. So this is the only one divisible by 10 because it has a 0 in the ones place. Now we get to some that take about this much thinking, this much thinking, and we'll be able to do that. So let's look at 3. The rule for 3, Grace, is what?
The sum of the digits is divisible by 3.
Good. The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Maxwell, what does the word sum mean?
Sum means like the answer of a question or something, like to mathematics.
Okay, Nixon?
Wait.
If something says find the sum, how would you find the sum? You add. The sum of the digits means you add the digits together, and if that is divisible by 3, or that is a multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So Rosita, let's look at 45. Rosita, what is 4 plus 5?
4 plus 5 would be 9.
Does 3 go into 9?
Yes.
Yes. Carter, what is 3 plus 6 plus 9?
18.
18. Does 3 go into 18?
No.
Yes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So yes. These get more difficult. Here. Liam, what is the sum of 7 plus 8 plus 7? So what's 7 plus 8, Liam? If I know 7 plus 7 is what? 14 plus one more. 15. Now I need to do 15 plus 7. So what's 15 plus 5? 20 plus 2 more?
22.
22. Liam, does 3 go into 22 evenly?
No.
No. And the cool thing is I could also add the digits 22 together, and that equals 4. So I could add them together. If I had a number this long, I could just keep adding the digits together until I got a small number that I could tell. So no. Zach, the sum of the digits in 1,976. 23? Okay, does 3 go into 23 evenly? No. Let's see. Landry, the sum of the digits in 6,003.
The sum?
Yeah.
9.
9. Landry, does 3 go into 9 evenly?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Now, the reason I'm not just working across is because now 6 is really, really easy. 6 is really, really easy. Because, Sagal, what does the rule for 6 say? You have it on your journal. Good. If the number's even and divisible by 3. So that means I have to have a yes in the 2 column, and I have to have a yes in the 3 column. So the divisibility rule for 6, it has to be an even number that is divisible by 3. And if you think about it, 3 times 2 equals 6. So that's a good way to think about it. So, Alina, is 45 divisible by 6? No, it's not an even number. I keep pressing the wrong button. Easton, is 369 divisible by 6? No, it's not an even number. 7,870. Lily, is that divisible by 6?
No.
No, because it's not divisible by 3. The rule is it has to be divisible by 3, and it has to be an even number. So this would be no. John, 1,976. Is that divisible by 6?
No.
No. It is an even number, but it's not divisible by 3. 6,003. Abram's not here. Brantley, 6,003 divisible by 6?
No.
No. Because it's not divisible by 2. It's not an even number. All right. The rule for 9. Kira, read me the rule for 9.
The sum of the digits is divisible by 9.
Good. The sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Or the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. 9, 18, 27. All right. So if I'd have been smart, I'd have written the sum of the digits out here, and that would have made it easy. But I'm evidently not that smart, so I didn't do that. So let's go through this real quick. Samuel, 45. What's the sum of the digits in 45? 4 plus 5 is?
9.
9. Does 9 go into 9
Yes.
evenly? Yes. So 45 is divisible by 9. 369. Serenity, what's the sum of the digits in 369? Good. 18. Does, because 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. Does 9 go into 18 evenly? Yes. 9 times 2. Yes. The sum of the digits, Nixon, in 7,870 is what? 22. Nixon, does 9 go into 22 evenly? No. Landry, the sum of the digits in 1,976.
Okay.
23. Landry, does 9 go into 23 evenly? No. 9, 18, 27, so it's not going to go in there.
You gotta put one on.
What?
You gotta put a 9.
Yeah, put a 9 in. All right. Garvin, the sum of the digits in 6,003.
Sum
Yeah.
of 6,003.
6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3.
9.
9. Garvin, does 9 go into 9 evenly?
Yes.
Yes. And I didn't put mine over here, but this would be no. These are helpful if you use them. Please use them. This will be on the tube of you if you want to look back at it. Boom! Shakalaka, peace out. God bless. Love you. Do something kind today. Save the booze. Please subscribe.